my beautiful VIPs, how are y'all doing today? So today I am showing you a first impressions and a tutorial using the BH Cosmetics Nouveau Neutrals 26 color shadow and blush palette. Whew, that's a mouthful, and I probably cut it out, but I said Nouveau probably like 35 times before I got it correct. So anyways, guys, this palette is not new. It's been out probably for about 4 months now, 4 or 5 months now. And this is what she looks like. She is so beautiful. Look at the cool tones and all the warm tones, the berry tones, the golds, the shimmers, the mattes. You guys, this palette is so beautiful. When I first seen this palette, I wanted it so bad. But y'all know when I'm not really a full first launch person. I usually wait a while to see if I want to pick something up. So this is what I did. This has 26 shades in it. It is also cruelty-free product. It says create an array of elegant looks with this palette. Shades ranging from subtle champagne to coral and decent berry brown tones. These shadows and blushes blend, accent and contour like a dream to deliver infinite looks for day and night. If y'all want to see my full thoughts, let's get to the end of the video. Before we get into the video, you guys, please make sure to check the description box. You can follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down there. And also, I would love for y'all to become one of my VIPs. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe down below and join the party. And let's just get into this first impression / tutorial. Okay, so the first color we're going to dip into is this bright orange shade right here. I'm going in with a Juvia's Place 007 Pro blending brush. Now there is just a little bit of kick up in the pan, but really not, it's not all that bad. So I'm going to stamp this into my crease and also onto my outer corner. I will then start slightly blending it up. And then I'm going to move to my Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to also put this into my inner corner. After you get the pigment that you want, I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm taking a Juvia's Place Blending 006 brush. And then I'm going to stamp this just right on top and a little bit above where we put that other orange shade. And then slightly start blending that out. Then going in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to gently start blending this out. Dipping back into that bright orange shade, I'm going to take this brush again, just for more pigment. Okay, once I get that all blended out, I'm going to go in with this dark brown color right here. I'm going to pack this on my inner corner, and then I will slightly bring this up just right into the crease. And same, packing it on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take what's left on the brush right into my crease. Then dipping in with that orange shade again, that bright orange shade. I want to use that to help blend this just a little bit better. Okay, and once we have everything blended out just the way that we want, I'm just going to go in and do a small halo. And once I have that, I'm just going to go in and dry this up. I really don't want to set it. Once it's dry, we're going to go back in with that brown shade and really just blend these edges out. And now that I have that, I'm going to go into this shade right here and slowly start blending that in with the brown. And for just a pop of color in the middle, we're going to go in with this shade right here. I am going to spritz my brush. You can use water, Fix Plus, setting spray, whatever you have. And then I'm also going to bring it up at the top. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I got my lashes on. These are in the style Erica from Lily Lashes. And my lipstick is Sweet Pea from Tarte. I'm going to go in with this shade first. And then I'm going to blend it out with the dark orange shade. I will wipe my brush off and then go into the orange. Okay, I also haven't done my blush or my highlight yet. So for my blush, probably mix these two together. Ooh, it's pigmented. Ooh. Oh. Nope. 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 Okay, so for inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, and for my cheekbone highlight, we're gonna go in with this shade right here. It's pretty. Yes, girl, yes. Oh, you can see my lamp in the back. I'm also gonna use this on my nose. And then also for my cheeks. The shadow is pretty as a highlighter. I think it is. Also for lower lash line, guys, I almost forgot. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it, and also I would love to see any recreations if you do it. My thoughts on this palette is, yeah, please. The blush, I'm not too excited about, but I probably just went in heavy-handed. But for the price point, this is $16, and I believe right now you can get it on their website for $8. I got an email about it. So you guys, $8, and these colors are absolutely beautiful. Let me open it. I gotta open it. The packaging is a little bit flimsy, but for $16 or $8, whatever it is, you guys, you really can't beat it. And with the layout of this palette is absolutely beautiful. There are so many different looks that you can do with this palette, and then all the shimmers are wonderful. I don't see no patchiness. How long it lasts, I don't know yet. That's the whole reason for first impressions. But I'm super excited about this, and if y'all want to see more looks with this palette, y'all definitely let me know. So my first impression is, yes, I think it's worth it. BH is a wonderful brand. They have great eyeshadows for a very affordable price. So you guys head over to their page and check them out. You guys, balling on a budget, you know, this I think is absolutely beautiful. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. You know it helps me out. Also, you guys, I would love for you to join the party and become one of my VIPs. You guys, so subscribe below and join the party. Also, make sure to check the description box, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm supposed to be getting my BoxyCharm tomorrow, so I will probably have my BoxyCharm video up on Thursday. So, guys, other than that, you guys, stay blessed, be happy, be you, and I love you all so much, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, y'all.